Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sav. If you're returning, thank you so much. Long time no see, I know. Welcome to Try On Tuesday. We haven't done one of these in forever, so long, and we're bringing it back, like we just are. So today I'm doing a massive, I say massive, it's not massive, I'm doing a Boohoo haul. I've ordered a new bunch of tracksuits because this is the first video that I'm doing since being off for a while. So firstly, happy new year. Welcome back. If you don't know, I'm probably going to say this a few times because I'm not sure. I filmed a couple of videos today. This will be the first one that goes up, so ignore it in the other videos if I tell you all about my surgery that I had a few weeks ago. So I had a knee reconstruction, and fortunately my wardrobe consists of mainly tracksuit bottoms anyway, and like co-ords and things like that, baggy clothing, because that's what I live in. I live for comfort. And I just wanted to order, you know, I didn't really need an excuse to order more tracksuits, but I use this as an excuse, so I got some. I've actually had this order for about 2 weeks and haven't opened it yet because I knew I wanted to save it for you guys, and I've honestly forgotten what I've ordered, so I'm gonna have to refresh my memory. I know they were cute, let's just say that. I know they were cute. Also, apologies, you're gonna see a video on Thursday that I also filmed today, and look, I'm being realistic with you guys. I'm not gonna change my outfit because I'm doing a sit down video now. Listen, we're in the same cream jumper that you're gonna see me in on Thursday probably, so yeah, it's clean. I'm not gonna change clothes. I mean, I'm just being like realistic with you guys that I filmed a couple of videos today. I'm going to spread them out, and that's what we're going to do, because that's going to be like the most efficient way for me to kind of keep up and hopefully get back to routine with getting videos out for you guys. So that's why. So I make no apologies for that, and I'm not, you know, it's normal. Like, we don't wear clothes once and put them away. Like, it's clean, it's fine. I had a shower today and I smell good, to be fair. What did I spend? £88.39, but that was also inclusive of the Boohoo Premier unlimited next day delivery and also discounts that I got on stuff. But yeah, let's get into it now that I know what we've got. So let's go. Just realised as well, I probably should have tried some of this on, because if it doesn't fit, then I'm a bit stuck, to be fair. Do we like the hair? I feel like it's kind of, is it the first time? No, it's not the first time you would have seen me with brown hair, but the first time I've actually curled it since having it done, would you believe? Had it done in what, November? And it's been a minute. Oversized gal, these make me happy. So this is the, I would put photos up of the models as well, but this is the Design Studio half zip oversized sweatshirt. I love jumpers like this because they're just so easy to style, so versatile, and just really comfy. So obviously you've got this design abbreviation on the front. It's grey, that is like that mild grey. It's the knitted soft material, which is just ideal. And you know, I live in stuff like this, to be honest. Wear this ridiculously. So yeah, that's quite oversized, to be fair, so I think that's going to be nice. I'll wear this with flares like I've got on at the moment, tracksuit bottoms, leggings. It's just one of those things. You can layer it as well, which is quite nice. You can actually, I've been seeing people like make these quite formal, so if you were to put like a shirt underneath, I absolutely love and follow Lydia Elise Millen, Chloe, oh, what's her name? Chloe Rose as well. Like, I've seen them with sweatshirts and then they put shirts and leave the collars up, and I think it looks so chic that, yeah, it's definitely a bit of me. So I'm happy that with the fact that I can kind of do a lot with this. I can be comfy, but I can also kind of dress it up if I wanted to, make it a little bit more formal. So yes, I would have put a picture up for you of it on the model, and obviously you will see I will do a little try on for you if I'm not already talking through it. This next item, or actually the tracksuit, is a set. I was inspired by a jumper that I actually bought Billy for Christmas, because it's like an acid wash kind of worn look to it, which I really liked, and then I saw this and I was like, that's quite similar, so I might actually get it because I quite like that look. So this is the washed straight leg jogger. This is in charcoal. I got it in a size medium. Again, you can't really go wrong with it. I think, can you kind of see how it's almost acid washy, but I like that it looks a little bit worn. Again, inside of these, very fleecy, very soft. Does it have pockets? Ooh, good question. It does in fact have pockets, which is, you know, always a win, because I'm a girl that likes pockets. I don't like to have to carry things in my hands if I don't have to. So that's a win. And obviously we've got the matching jumper to go with it. It is a hoodie, so and it does feel quite oversized, which we like. Yeah, like I said, the main attraction to this was the whole fact it looks a little bit worn, and me and B can kind of matchy when he wears his, although obviously it's not the same. But again, fleecy material. Have I mentioned prices? I don't think I actually have I? There's discounts included in these, but just so you know what I paid. So the design sweatshirt I paid £11.80. This tracksuit for the jumper I paid £14.53, and the trousers £11.89. The Design Studio oversized sweatshirt I got in a large. Both of these I got in a medium. I feel like this is going to be like my favourite tracksuit out of this little order that we've done. So this is the Design Studio Slogo deep waistband straight in baby pink. Oh, stunning. Baby pink is slowly finding its way into my wardrobe. I kind of find out I'm either all black clothing or like pink. So, you know, that's just the two moods that we've got. Very similar to the other ones. Again, straight leg, because that's kind of what I need right now, and that's the only thing I can kind of get away with wearing without it being too much pressure on my leg. But look at the gorgeous colour of these. What have we got over here? You've got the studio little logo here. Again, we've got pockets. We love it. No drawstring on these ones, but there was on the grey ones. But again, lovely soft fleecy material. Hopefully you guys can kind of pick that up. But yeah, hopefully they will fit. And like I said, yeah, straight leg. Quite oversized, to be fair, so I think you could probably afford to size down. The top is what sold it for me, to be fair. That and the colour. So this is the top, and you probably would have seen it, like I said, from the image that I show you. But it's a slouched neckline, so it kind of hangs off the shoulder, effortlessly put together. It's the Design Studio slogan off the shoulder sweatshirt in baby pink. Again, we've got the same logo that we've got on the trousers in the middle of the sweatshirt. You've got this kind of waistband cinch at the bottom, and oh my god, this has pockets. We love that. Has pockets as well. So yeah, but like I said, it was the neckline that sold me. I love an off the shoulder kind of especially a tracksuit. Off the shoulder tops, absolutely. Off the shoulder tracksuits, love. So that's a set that I'm definitely looking forward to wearing. For that, I paid £13.21 for the sweatshirt and £16.52 for the bottoms. And I got the sweatshirt in a medium because I knew it was kind of oversized already. And the bottoms I did get in a large. Again, I kind of got a mix of mediums and larges because I'm kind of, usually I would say I'm more a medium. However, because of the cast, I kind of wanted to make sure that some of these things will go over so that I can actually wear them. So the final item I got in this little mini haul is the knitted cord, and this just looks unreal already. Look at that, like that looks gorgeous. So this comes as a set, so you get both, and I paid £15.73 and I picked it up in a size 14. It's the cream version, so if I do trousers first, got a nice, again, kind of cinched waistband. You've got drawstrings to be able to kind of, do they actually, yeah they do, so they will cinch it if you want to pull it in a little bit more, which is nice. Material, I mean you just need to feel this through the screen because it's gorgeous. Like look how soft that looks. It's pretty much a blanket in trousers and a top, so we love that. The legs, they're straight legs, they're kind of quite big and flared, but again, I'm not complaining about that at the moment because I can't have anything restrictive on my leg because it's just not comfortable. And yeah, I just need things to be easy to get around in. So that's that. And then this is the half funnel neck top. Yes. Like I said, it comes as a set anyway. I'll link all the products down below so that if you wanted to go and buy anything, obviously you've got the links for them. But again, exactly the same material. I love that it's a half zip again. Just effortless, soft blanket material, which is always my favourite. And again, this is just something that I think with a nice long A-line, I've got a nice Zara coat that would go really nicely over this. Winter is such my vibe. Like I love coats, layering, tracksuits. Like summer's not it for me. So I'm going to be sad when I can't really wear all this, but I'll probably still try and find a way. And I like that the sleeves have this little cuff kind of rolled up effect. It is actually got a stitch in to keep it there. So on the one side, I don't know if you can really see that. But yeah, that's stitch just to keep it there. I'm assuming you could undo that if you didn't want to, but I quite like that. Again, it's like little things that just make it, or elevate a look, making it look a bit more put together, a bit more elegant. So, but yeah, this feels really nice. I think if there's one thing I was probably going to say pick up from this haul, it would probably be this set. And that does actually conclude the things I picked up from this haul. So short and sweet, hopefully just to get me back into the groove of filming again, sitting in front of a camera talking to you guys. But have missed you, have missed doing videos. It's just been a bit of a whirlwind, and I've got a few weeks off work actually because of my leg. So I'm hoping to really put some time into YouTube in that time so I can kind of get ahead of myself, and then obviously get back to a routine of posting consistently for you, because I'm bored and need something to do, and this is like the perfect opportunity for me to be able to sit down and give you guys content and I don't have to worry about work. So love that for me. But yeah, want to get that out. If you did like this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and it would be greatly appreciated. But yes, I do appreciate each and every one of you, even if you watched it. So if you did make it to the end, thank you so much. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.